Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're taking a really close look at the newly released Pixel Buds Pro 2. And the big story here? Well, Google has somehow managed to cram the processing power of their brand new Tensor A1 chip directly into a tiny earbud. We aren't just talking about a minor audio upgrade here. We're looking at a fundamental shift in what a wearable audio device can actually do.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're breaking this explainer down into 5 chapters. Chapter 1 covers form and fit. Chapter 2 dives into the audio engine. Chapter 3 explores smart features in Gemini. Chapter 4 looks at battery and the Pixel ecosystem. And Chapter 5 is a direct comparison against the A series. Chapter 1, Form and Fit. So Google is officially touting these as their most comfortable earbuds yet, aiming for a design that feels incredibly light. But what's absolutely wild to consider is that nestled just millimeters inside that smooth casing is the first ever Google Tensor chip to be placed inside an earbud. It is literally a remarkable packaging achievement to fit that kind of compute power into something designed to sit completely unnoticed in your ear.
45 million. Yeah, you heard that right. That represents the 45 million distinct human ears that Google modeled to engineer their new Fit system. They used this massive, data-driven approach to create what they call a twist-to-adjust stabilizer. The whole idea is that you place it in your ear, give it a slight twist, and it locks securely into place, whether you're in the middle of an intense cardio workout or just wearing them through a grueling 10-hour workday. And, the hardware design is also about seamlessly blending into your everyday lifestyle. They offer some striking color options, too. Whether you're feeling that vibrant, energetic pink or a more classic, understated beige, they're really designed to function almost like a piece of personal apparel.
Let's move to Chapter 2, the audio engine.
So the real driving force behind this audio engine is that Tensor A1 chip. Because this silicon was built from the ground up specifically for AI, it actively analyzes your environment to neutralize unwanted sound. In fact, it powers twice the active noise cancellation compared to previous generations. It takes some serious specialized computing power to map out acoustic environments in real time, and that's exactly what this chip is doing. To understand exactly how precise this is, let this metric sink in for a second. 90x. The Tensor A1 chip processes audio data 90 times faster than the literal speed of sound itself. Just think about that. Before a disruptive noise can even physically travel from the outside environment through the earbud and hit your eardrum, the A1 chip has already analyzed it, calculated the exact anti-noise frequency, and deployed it. It is neutralizing the world around you in absolute real time. But beyond the chip, the physical acoustic hardware is equally impressive. Let's walk through these specs quickly. We've got 11mm drivers, which are significantly large for an earbud, giving you that deep, powerful bass. Paired with that is a brand new high-frequency chamber dedicated entirely to delivering crisp, smooth treble. Now, we already mentioned the active noise cancellation, but it's specifically utilizing their Silent Seal 2.0 technology to physically block out the world. And perhaps the most practical feature for daily use, adaptive audio. Imagine walking from a quiet hallway into a chaotic coffee shop. The earbuds automatically adjust the noise cancellation levels for you. No fumbling to adjust your volume while trying to balance your latte.
Moving on to Chapter 3, Smart Features and Gemini.
At the core of this whole system's brain is Gemini Live. This is a hands-free, frictionless AI assistant integrated directly into your earbuds. The keyword here really is frictionless. You no longer have to pull your phone out of your pocket, unlock it, open an app, and type out a query. You literally have a powerful conversational AI living right in your ear, ready to assist you at a moment's notice.
And this brilliantly illustrates the real-world value of that integration. Picture this. You're walking down the street carrying heavy groceries, and you simply ask Gemini to brainstorm ideas for a project. You can have it automatically add items to your Google Keep grocery list as you realize you need them, or instantly set up calendar events without ever breaking your stride or even looking at a screen. It basically transforms the earbuds into a massive productivity tool.
Chapter 4, Battery and the Pixel Ecosystem.
These earbuds are definitely designed to be the ultimate companion keys to the broader Google ecosystem. They connect seamlessly with your Pixel phone and Pixel Watch, and this tight integration allows for features like clearer AI-powered phone calls. Also, if you happen to misplace them, because they're deeply embedded in the ecosystem, the Find My Device network can help you track them down, taking them from lost to found almost instantly.
Now, battery anxiety is a real thing for all of us wearable users, but Google addresses it head-on right here. You get up to 30 hours of total listening time. But what's incredibly important to note about this metric is that this is the battery life with active noise cancellation turned on. You don't have to sacrifice your premium audio experience just to make it through the day. And just for clarity, that 30-hour figure is achieved using the included charging case. This case actually stretches the listening time 10 full hours past what was offered by the previous generation Pixel Buds A series. And as far as practicality goes, they retail standard at $229, though promotional discounts can sometimes bring that down to $189.
Finally, Chapter 5, Pro 2 versus A series.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing the generational leap laid out so clearly. When weighing your options, look at audio. The A series gives you adaptive sound, but the Pro 2 steps all the way up to full active noise cancellation with Silent Seal 2.0. Under performance, the Pro 2 boasts that lightning-fast Tensor A1 chip, which is entirely absent from the A series. For battery, we see a big jump from 24 hours to a full 30 hours. Comfort shifts from a fixed stabilizer to that new data-driven twist to adjust fit. And finally, for convenience, the Pro 2 adds wireless charging to the case, something the A series definitely lacks. Honestly, it's a comprehensive upgrade across every single category. So, what does this all mean? By putting the Tensor A1 chip and Gemini Live directly into our ears, Google isn't just making a better speaker, they are fundamentally changing how we interact with information. Is embedding this kind of powerful AI directly into our earbuds the ultimate destination for wearable technology, making our screens obsolete? Or is this just the first stepping stone to a much bigger, even more integrated future? It's absolutely fascinating to think about. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next deep dive.